Hey everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to upload video or post any picture on Pinterest. So just follow along with me. But before we get started, there are two ways. So we're gonna begin or start with the first. So here's a video. We have to upload this. We're gonna upload this We're gonna upload this video on Pinterest. This is a video I just created on YouTube. So what we're gonna do is either you copy this arrow here, or you click to watch the video and you copy this arrow here. So let's copy this one. Here's my YouTube channel. And then go on Pinterest. This is my Pinterest account. So you go to the plus red sign. It's showing the create a pin. So let us go to save from a site. So you click save from the site. Then you post. You just place the URL. And then you click this button here. So this is the video, and then just click the video, add to pin. You may want to choose save to which site. I will save it to my YouTube channel site. If you want to write anything, or if you don't have anything to write here, it's okay. Maybe you can post another URL, and then just click save. Save to Code Kingdom. Okay, see it now. So this is the video that was just uploaded. And another way to upload video again on Pinterest, this time is all about let us just post any picture. Let's go to let's create this time another pin. Great. This time let's take it from our computer. Okay, let me upload this post. Yeah, so this is it. Save from same Code Kingdom. This time I didn't write anything, and I just click save. See it now. So this is the pin. So this is how you upload video from any site to Pinterest, or upload picture or video from your computer to Pinterest. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. If you have any comment, please post it down below. Until then, see you.